patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So as you can see, we're going to be doing these beautiful butterfly locks. I'm obsessed with them. I love them. I've gotten so many compliments on them and they're just everything to me. So yeah, as you can see in the last clip, I just showed the packages of hair. I got that from Amazon, so the link will be in the description box below. And now we're just going to start off with braiding our hair. You don't have to go all the way down. This is just the base of how we're going to install these locks. So I kind of went for a medium size. I have like a big head, so the parts may look bigger, but they're actually like on an average head, like small. So yeah, this is my medium size. So I'm going to take you guys through this process 4 times in real time, so just watch carefully. So now we're going to install the lock into our hair. So I just went about 4 to 6 inches under the root of my hair. I wanted these to touch my hip, like my lower back area. So that's what I did. And if you don't know how to crochet, basically you just open the latch, put it through your braid, put the lock on the latch, and then close the latch and pull it through. So I hope that makes sense, but there's also a visual. So what I just did here was I cut spring twist hair in half. I don't remember how many inches this is, but I want to say that it's 10 inches. This was old hair that I found in my closet that I had to pray to God that I had more of. So that's why I kept cutting it in half. But this hair I'm going to install closer to the root of my hair. And I want the blunt side to be really close to the root, like very short. So that way I have enough hair to wrap around my own hair. When it comes to wrapping the lock, there really isn't a specific way that I do it. I just do what feels comfortable, and that's really the best advice that I can give. So after installing the spring twist hair, I kind of messed up and I was supposed to fold my hair in half and put a rubber band around it. So as you can see, I'm like, oh God. So this basically helps me not have to wrap more spring twists around my hair because my hair is pretty long. So since the spring twist hair is about 10 inches or so, I don't have enough hair to wrap around the entire length of my hair. So in order to cut that in half, I just fold it in half and put a rubber band around it, and you see how that minimized or decreased the length, which is what I did pretty much around almost every single one of my braids except for the shorter pieces of hair that I had. So yeah, now with this, the wrapping, there is no specific way that I did it. I kind of did it loosely. Some of them I did them tight, but not extremely tight. Like this style is supposed to be messy. So I also created loops with my thumb. I basically just put my thumb between the hair. Then I wrapped under my thumb, over my thumb, and then under my thumb again to secure that loop that I made. So there were a few times where I ran out of hair anyway, and I just had to like take some more hair. I made the hair thinner and just wrapped it around the rest of the hair that was out, like my natural hair, just to ensure that my hair was covered and, you know, sealed. And when it comes to wrapping my hair, I don't have a specific way that I wrap it. Sometimes I wrap away from my face, sometimes I wrap towards my face. It just really depends on what's comfortable to me at the time. So when it comes to securing the braid, all we're going to do is palm roll and you're finished.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
So I'm going to show you guys a visual 2 more times, and I'm just going to talk about like the longevity of the style and other things that I experienced while doing this style. But with maintenance, it's pretty easy. All I do is just use some leave-in conditioner spray and oil my scalp. And the hair, I feel like there are a lot of like tangly pieces, like as I try to comb through it, just like finger comb through your hair, you know, if you're playing with your hair. But honestly, I just pull whatever strangly pieces, I just pull them apart and throw them in the trash, because like it's not that big of a deal. It doesn't really bother me that much. It is very heavy, y'all. Like if you cannot handle heavy styles, I'm not sure if I would recommend this for you, because I almost cried. Well, not cried, I'm exaggerating, but I was like concerned about how I was gonna put my hair up for this shower. But I want to say like the third day I was able to like put my hair up and be okay with it, but I would just instantly put it back down, so it wasn't a lot of tension. How long it took me for this style, I want to say it would have took 6 hours, but I split this into 2 days, so I think it took like 2.5 hours to braid my hair, and then maybe 3 hours to install the locks. Just like, you know, playing it by ear. I don't really do my hair often as much as I used to, so probably took a little while. But yeah, so that's how long it took me for that. And then how long it's supposed to last me, I'm gonna go and wear this for a month, because I just know that I need to shampoo and condition my natural hair every month. If I don't do that, my hair will get very dry, and it just needs some tender loving care after that. But I will be installing this again. I think it's super easy. I think it's really cute, and everyone loves me with this style. Trust me, I love myself with it too. So this is it for me. Like, it looks great. But yeah. If y'all have any other questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section below, and I will definitely be replying to all you guys' questions, comments, concerns, whatever you may have. But yeah, nonetheless, this was a really bomb style that I was just like extremely grateful for. I did not get in the pool with the style because I felt like it was going to be too heavy with the water weight. And I did shampoo these locks because I went to the beach. Like, I shampooed like the bottom half because, you know, sand gets everywhere. So when I did that, I really didn't have a bad experience. I was just really gentle. And it does take forever for these locks to dry. Like, I got the blow dryer out and it still took a long time. So I mean, I want to say it probably took like an hour or so, but I'm not really used to that because I don't get like protector styles often. But to me, that took a long time versus if I blow dry braids. I feel like that's just longer. But yeah, anyway, I still am going to rock this style, y'all, period.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.